I, as in sit. The lips are slightly parted and relaxed. The tongue is also relaxed and high, but not as high as for the E sound. The sides of the tongue touch the upper back teeth. The common spelling patterns for this sound are the letter I, and that's the most common one, as in sit, give, this, dinner. UI, as in build, quit, quick, guilty. And Y if it's between two consonants, as in system, gym, symbol, and hymn. Exceptions. In American English, the word been, as in how have you been, is pronounced as I, but in British English it sounds like E, the same as the food beans. Also, in the word women, the O is pronounced as I, women. Word pairs.
Big city. Innocent victim. Drink milk. Children's film. Simple living.
Fish and chips. Trip to Italy. Spring picnic. This thing. Winter wind. Sentences for practice.
Kim will visit her big sister Linda in Virginia. In the beginning, it was difficult for Jim to quit drinking. The Smiths invited him to an informal dinner. This city has an interesting history. When did Bill Clinton visit the Middle East?
Quick review. Vowel contrasts for E and I. Make sure that you don't pronounce these pairs of words the same.
Leave, live. Feel, fill. Least, list. He's, his. Sleep, slip. Cheap, chip.
Beat, bit. Steal, still. Each, itch. Seek, sick. Feet, fit. Sheep, ship. Word combinations for E and I. Make sure that the two words are pronounced with different vowel sounds.
Still sleepy. Very interesting. Feeling ill. It's easy. Is he?
Big deal. These things. Middle East. Little meal. Green pill. Word combinations for E and I. Make sure that the two words are pronounced with different vowel sounds.
Still sleepy. Very interesting. Feeling ill. It's easy. Is he?
Big deal. These things. Middle East. Little meal. Green pill. A as in take. The lips are not rounded and they are relaxed, and the tongue is tense, moving from mid-high position to high position. The common spelling patterns for this sound are A plus consonant plus E as in late, came, take, and save, AI as in rain, wait, pain, aim, AY as in say, away, play, Monday, EY as in they, survey, obey, and EIGH as in way, ate, neighbor, and freight. The less common spelling also includes the letter A as in April, alien, and angel. Word pairs.
The same day. Stay away. Escape from jail. Take a break. Stay the same.
Explain the situation. Play baseball. 88. Bake a cake. Save the whales. Sentences for practice.
She complained about her weight, but ate the cake anyway. Jake hates waiting for trains and planes. It rains and hails in April and May. I will stay in the game even though it's late. My neighbor from Spain moved away today.
As in get. The lips are farther apart than for the A, and the lips are relaxed. The tongue is also relaxed and in the mid-high position. The common spelling patterns for this sound are the letter E, as in get, end, next, general, and the letters EA, as in heavy, head, read, and measure. And the spelling exceptions include the words said, says, again, against, any, many. Warning, common mistake. The verb say is pronounced with an S sound in the past tense and in the present tense when it is followed by an S. For example, I say, but I said. He says. Don't say, I said, and he says. Word pairs.
Presidential election. Bend your legs. Plenty of energy. Remember the pledge. Better friend.
Heavy metal. Get better. Elegant dress. Next Wednesday. Well read. Sentences for practice.
Without some extra effort, you will never excel. Jenny and her friend had eggs for breakfast. I expect this session to end at 10. On the 7th of February, the weather was wet. I see my best friend Fred every 7 days.
Quick review. Vowel contrasts for e and a. Make sure that you don't pronounce these pairs of words the same.
Pen, pain. Sell, sail. Wet, wait. West, waste.
Tell, tail. Ed, aid. Test, taste. Men, main. Word combinations for e and a. Make sure that the two words are pronounced with different vowel sounds.
Less rain. Taste test. Neck pain. Fell away.
Wet day. Main men. Great dress. Headache.